Now, the Supreme Court earlier today turned down requests seeking to have it halt ongoing construction works on the National Cathedral. A businessman, Jonathan Holm, alleges that government has breached portions of the Constitution in allowing state land to be used in a manner that does not serve the public interest. He wants a declaration of the action unconstitutional, with the land returned to its original owners. Court correspondent Joseph Akable was at the Apex Court today as it ruled that appropriate remedies exist to be used by the court to provide remedies if it rules against the state in the substantive case.
The Supreme Court in January 2019 ruled in favor of the Attorney General's office, saying the state's support in the construction of the National Cathedral is backed by law. Shortly after, businessman Jonathan Holm dragged the AG to the court, saying the state allocating land for the construction is unconstitutional. He also urged the court to hold government in contempt for allowing the construction to go on despite a pending case. This was dismissed by the court. The lawyers headed once again to the Apex Court, this time around to ask that the construction be halted. Chief State Attorney Dorothy Friansa urged the court to dismiss the case, saying the state will suffer irreparable damage if construction is put on hold. She explained contractors are currently on site with clearly defined timelines. Any act that blocks this process will cause the state to incur financial losses that cannot be remedied. The 7-member panel presided over by Chief Justice Kwesi Enin-Yeboah today ruled that appropriate remedies exist to be used by the court if it rules against the state in a substantive case. The court has meanwhile set April 29 to deliver its judgment in a case filed by former Deputy AG Dominic Ayene challenging the eligibility of Martin Amidu as special prosecutor.